You should never alter your stop loss. Or should you? Welcome in this new tutorial trading. Some people tell that you should never alter your stop loss. But, this is simply not true. Once a position is open, you should use every tool available to secure and protect your capital. Your job as a trader is to control the risk, protect your capital, return as much as possible with the lowest risk exposure, take the most qualitative setups. Remember, you are here to make money. So, for example, you can move your stop loss up several times to secure your profits in a trade. Thanks for watching.